Namaskaram to all of you. I'm very happy to connect back with a new topic. And this is Casey here. How are you all doing? I hope you and family are safe and happy together. I heard a story and which was very interesting, and I thought I'll share the story, and which was quite relevant to reflect on our own self right now, because we all have this time being at home. It's a good chance. There is a good chance that we can reflect. So I thought I'll share the story with all of you. There was a very famous ashram near a hillside. In that ashram, there was a guru who was very famous for his wisdom and clarity and prediction towards various things. So he was very, very famous, and he was in that ashram. So when there was a set of tourists uh, who came into that village, somebody spoke about this guru, and these tourists became very fascinated to meet this guru and understand wisdom. So so they started collecting information how to reach that particular place, and they tried reaching that ashram in time. So when they reached the ashram, they met these volunteers who were serving the guru, and they started talking about their interest to meet the guru, if possible today. And the volunteer said, yes, he is there in his room, then probably we can all you can all meet them. Very happy listening to this. The tourists was so curious, very happy, and they were looking forward for this moment of meeting this guru. So when these volunteers before taking these tourists to the guru's room, they spoke about certain rules and regulations, just to follow in a behave in a particular way, so that they are going to be receptive towards the grace. So when these tourists, when they reached the guru's room, there was one individual who was sitting outside the room, and they saw this person sitting very silently, very gracefully, with a smile, and they asked, we have come here to meet the guru, and can we go in? So the person who sits outside this room, so he just shows a board on the door, above the door basically. So it says, drop your mind, go and go inside and surrender. So these were the simple words mentioned in that notice board. So when that tourist after reading this, then he was asking, can we go in? So this individual guided one by one. They did not allow the group of people to go in, but this they said, let this approach be individual, and he asked the first person to go and meet the guru. So when the tourist was so excited, and one of them went inside, and he saw an empty room, and there was no prayers, there is no guru there. There is what do you call it, there is no prayers, there is no chant, there is all that what he expected when he wanted to meet up with that guru was nothing there. He was shocked at the empty room, and then after spending few minutes there, and he just came back and told the same to the individual who was sitting outside the door. So this volunteer, like, he was listening to this tourist input, and after few minutes he recited that, please drop your mind, go inside and surrender. So hearing this again, this tourist got perplexed, and then he also got confused. Why is this this person again saying the same, but there is nobody inside the room? But after few minutes, now that the individual understood, this tourist did not understand what it means to drop a mind and go inside and surrender. So he starts explaining um, to the tourist, to the puzzled tourist, um, with a confused mind. If you are trying to enter into a place, it's gonna be much more non-connected. So it's important that you have a simple, open-minded, flow of thought. You just be very free in your thought process. Listening to this once again, okay, the tourist was carefully um, kind of listening, and he tried. Okay, I'll tell you, the real guru is actually inside you. Okay, and so much, he was the tourist was expecting somebody to meet physical, right? So he now got little worried, or probably he's still wondering what this individual is saying. But he said, the individual made all the tourists sit, and then he started explaining, life is like this. Like if you are searching for something physical, okay, and there is going to be a lot of disappointments. There is a lot more things which may or may not happen in the real life. So it's better, you approach anything. Okay, let's call it awareness, or let's call it a guru. If you're approaching something, it's better to drop your mind and go inside and surrender within yourself, right? Which is so important. When I heard this story, and it also goes like this, because when something has to happen, if it is already happening inside us, and it's what do you call it, the real, when the real guru is inside us, what stops us? Okay, where is the fear then? Okay, when there is someone who is there to help us, within us, to grow, and to grow ourselves as an individual, what is stopping us then? Then it slowly resonates, in terms of when I heard this story, and then particularly when they said the guru is inside you, I was just thinking, like, so what stops us connecting to this awareness, right? So it is just the identity what we have creates a block. And when we identify with something, it creates a ego mind. And once there is an ego, once there is something very important about us, then the physical becomes very important, right? But when we reduce the expectation, when we reduce the intensity of this I, or the identity what we have on us, then it becomes much more effective to surrender, okay, and then be able to reach our ultimate potential. So these are very very important times, my friends, that we have to restore our own balance, because without a balance it's going to be very difficult, because your family needs you right now, right? Your offices needs you right now. Your own self, which is willing to learn, which is willing to grow, willing to adapt, needs you right now. So the balance comes out of the time we spend on ourselves right now. So this time when we have, due to this COVID situation, we are all at home. If we can just look back at the story, when we are not willing to drop our ego, when we are not willing to go inside and then surrender ourselves, it's going to be much more complicated, in all terms, because the life has its own obstacles, and life has its own situations which is going to be thrown upon us. But when we realize that the highest potential is within us, and which is going to be guiding us, when we are going to believe that it's going to help us grow, I think nothing is going to stop you, right? So that is something I thought I'll share with you, because when your family needs you, when your when you're when your potential is still waiting to explode. I think it's a good time for all of us when we are at home, and there is a good time that we can reflect on these thoughts, and then be able to reach the ultimate potential of what we would like to be. Or this is a good time for us to settle down and become a create a balanced life, where it talks it creates a greater vision for all of us. So I thought I'll share this story and create that positive thought process within you, which would help you and your family. Please remember, just it's we are just a small speck in this overall earth, and when we compare with the universe, the earth is just a small dust, right, within the universe. So let's not put too much of weightage to our identity right now, but I think a lot more things are at stake, and it's important to restore balance. I think nature is already doing it for itself. I think it's better for us to right now reflect on who we are, and then what we would like to be, and then be able to become that. So this day, let's create a thought to create a greater vision for all of us for the long term, which would benefit you, me, and everybody around us, which would create a greater, happy, joyful life for all of us. Thank you so much. I'm very grateful that you're being connected with me. I'm looking forward to talk to you more. And I have a request, as always, please do subscribe to my channel. A lot more happy, joyful messages we can share with each other. I would like to stay connected to you, and the only way to connect with all of you is through this subscribe button. So please kindly help me grow this network, and it would help many people to reach out to these thoughts, which would help a lot more people to grow. Thank you so much. Have a great day.